RapidReviewz review. Thank you so much for reading my RapidReviewz review. I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. This system is coming out with many bonuses for the early bird. Take your action ASAP for the best deal. Order now. You can have an opportunity to receive extra bonuses if you finish 3 steps below. Step 1. Order the product by clicking here. Step 2. Choose one of my huge bonus packages by click the link below. Remember that you can pick one more bonuses pack for each upgrade you purchased. Step 3. After your purchase goes through, email, link in description, your receipt and your chosen bonuses pack to so I can confirm your purchase. And email you information about how to access to your bonus material. RapidReviewz Autos and pricing options. For a limited time, you can grab RapidReviewz with early bird discount price in these options below. Let's pick the best suited options for you before this special offer gone. Your free Traffic Plus affiliate income is now just 3 clicks away. Stealth software turns web pages into content videos in 3 clicks. Free traffic for 5 years? And it took just 2 minutes. 1. Leverage the highest converting, most trustworthy and cost-effective type of traffic to make quick and easy commissions. 2. Create hundreds of hot and genuine reviews for products from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, JVZoo, W+, and more with just 3 clicks. 3. Turn any URL into a review video or create from scratch. 4. Automatically add real and genuine reviews and images or upload your own. 5. Legally use other people's videos inside your reviews. 6. Create review videos for any product, in any niche, any language. 7. Pick our high-converting and highly engaging templates or start from scratch. 8. Fully customize the look and feel with our premium review video editor. 9. With one click our AI turns it into an engaging review video with images, videos, music and even voiceover etc. OTO1. Pro upgrade, $37. 1. Export up to 600 review videos monthly. 2. Over 50 AI 3/4x your traffic and income potential with the Pro version. 4. Attract more eyeballs and go viral. 5. Mass video creator. Create up to 10 review videos at once. 6. Get more video templates. 7. Get premium video elements and assets. 8. Thumbnail editor. Create attractive thumbnails to get more clicks to your videos. 9. Easy social sharing. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest to get more exposure and traffic. 10. Fast action bonus 1 YouTube influencer. 11. Fast action bonus 2 write compelling headlines. 12. Commercial license included for pro features. 13. No monthly fees. One-time payment during launch period. 14. 30th day money back guarantee. OTO2. CO Edition, $47. Unlock a powerful integration to our flagship video traffic software which ranks any video on page number 1 of both Google and YouTube in minutes. And keeps the videos ranked for months using special, push rankings technology. 1. Get free targeted traffic to your videos fast. 2. Seamless one-click access for vid shorts users. 3. Tap into the number 1 best traffic source for videos. Better than ads. OTO3. Facebook and IG Edition, $47. Generate 100,000s of free visitors from Facebook and Instagram like celebrities stealing other people's videos and spending 10 minutes per day. And learn how to craft a tailored, social media strategy to build brand awareness and generate massive sales long-term. 1. Groundbreaking concept which brings unlimited traffic to any offer, page or link you want. 2. Get 100% free traffic from absolute scratch. 3. Get better results from your paid ads. 4. Gives you 20x more leads, traffic and sales from all your videos. 5. Be up and running in 5 minutes from now and start driving free traffic. 6. Fully automated. Set it up and forget about it for months or work just 15 min per day. 7. Works even if you have no experience, no tech skills. 8. Unlimited potential. Works in any niche, any offer. 9. Low one-time price during launch period. 10. Commercial license allowing you to resell these videos for high profits. OT04. Reseller Edition, $197 to $297. 1. Each client will have access to features of RapidReviewz. Complete the second part of the review, link in description.